So good morning. I've decided to begin the day to prepare for my guests. We have visitors arriving, and so I've made a special lentil stew with butternut squash, onions, potatoes, carrots and garlic. I've got to put some thyme in and a bit of cinnamon, I think. And over on the right I've made a soup. It looks a bit chunky at the moment, but I'm going to blend it. I'll try and get you. There we go. Look at that. It's carrot and pepper with as in sweet pepper and onions soup. That's going to be absolutely delish. So both of these yummy foods are suitable for vegans and suitable for people who are quite fussy about their diets. So yeah, it took a little bit of thinking, but they're both ready for tomorrow. So now I'll go on and get on with my day. Yes, I fixed the wheel on the wheelbarrow. So I drove up to Tomar and Agroloja, and I've managed to find the exact wheel in solid rather than the inner tube version, which is just perfect. So I've attached that, ready to get some work done. So I'm really pleased about that. I've managed to get the gas cooker up and running, put up a set of shelves, bring all my food so it's all sorted. It's looking good, all organised. And then I've put up a mirror and I've put up a coat hanger, coat rack, so it gets my stuff off the bed. So I'm now on to just finishing off the shelves in the bedroom. So I've just got to attach them to the wall and then pop my stuff on, and that's the second set of shelves, which is brilliant. And I've even got a rug for my altar. Yeah, my rubbish is on it at the moment, but I'll be moving that over. That's my altar there. And another win for today is getting the bulb for the salt lamp. I'm well chuffed. Perfect. It was just a little tiny Osram LED light bulb that's suitable for things like fridges. So it's now in the salt lamp, and I've got a bedside lamp now. I'm really pleased about that. My crystal ball's finally out. It's lovely seeing it back on a table. Beautiful. And now my other shelves are up, attached to the wall and stacked up. It's brilliant. Just watching the sun go down as I cook my tea over at the Hart Palace. Feeling a bit tired. I've had quite a day, a bit of travel and lots of getting things done. I'm really looking forward to putting the wheelbarrow to some good use and making some more progress outside tomorrow, and getting things really underway, because it really did throw me having that time without a wheelbarrow, because it's pretty much my best tool. It's my most used tool. So I'm gonna settle down with Batty for tonight, and then come tomorrow morning nice and early, up and at it. Say hi, Batty. Yeah. Say good night.